Hello, this video is going to help you do the intersection of two lines. As you can see from our picture of the snowman here, this is our first virtual snow day makeup day. As you probably know, the intersection is where two lines cross, just like the intersection of two streets is where two streets cross. So this is going to be very simple to do. We're just adding a little bit of a step on. First thing I have is an equation of a line over here, y equals 9 minus x. And I have my XY chart to fill out. You notice we're only putting two numbers in today, so it's going to work a little quicker. I put my 0 in for x. 9 minus 0 equals 9. And then I'm putting 8 in for x. And 9 minus 8 equals 1. I'm going to take these 2 points and plot them on the graph over here. This 0, 9, notice it's xy. And xy really stands for my x-axis and my y-axis. So 0, 9 is really 0, 9. 0 to the right and 9 up. Remember the saying? I'll be right up. And then 8, 1 would be 8 to the right and up 1. And then I'm going to use this nice tool that the Promethean company has with it that allows you to just make a straight line from anywhere to anywhere. And so there's our first equation of a line. It looks like that. Y equals 9 minus x. There it is. I'm going to the second one. Y equals x divided by 2. Put my x in. 2. Y equals 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So I'm going to plot those 2 points. 2, 1. 2 to the right and up 1. 18, 9. 18 to the right and up 9. And then connect those points. And if we've done this correctly, the line should cross right on one of the places where the other lines are crossing on our grid. On this one, it looks like it's about right there. If yours isn't perfectly on where they cross, that's okay, because it's hard to do it on something small. So it looks like I'm a 6 to the right and up 3. And I want to just double check to make sure that this point does fit in both of them. So I'm going to come up here and try this out. 6, 3, would it work here? I put a 6 in. 9 minus 6 is 3. Check. I'm going to try the 6, 3 here. I put a 6 in. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So that is the point where those two intersect. Let's try a few more examples out so you can just see again. Y equals 4x. Remember, 4x really means 4 times x. So 4 times 0 is 0, and 4 times 5 is 20. Put my point in, 0, 0. Remember, that's the origin. And 5, 20, all the way up here at the top. Connect my 2 points. And let's try the second line out. Y equals x plus 9. Put a 1 in for x. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Put a 7 in for x. 7 plus 9 is 16. So let's see, 1, 10, 1 to the right and up 10. 7, 16, 7 to the right and up 16. And let's see where these guys cross. Looks like I'm pretty much on a spot again. Right there, which is at 3 to the right and up 12. Double check it real fast. If I put a 3 in, 4 times 3 equals 12. Yep. Put a 3 in down here. 3 plus 9, 12. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Going to our third example. Y equals 3x minus 2. Remember, order of operations is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I need to do this multiplying before I do the subtracting, because multiplying is higher up the tower than subtracting. So I put a 2 in for x. This means 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Put the 7 in for x. 3 times 7, 3, 6, 9. 12, 15, 18, 21. 21 minus 2 is 19. So I have my first point's at 2, 4. 2 to the right and up 4. And 7, 19. 7 to the right and 1 from the top right there. Connect the points. And let's try out our other line. Y equals 18 minus x. Put a 3 in. 18 minus 3 is 15. Put the 12 in. 18 minus 12 is 6. 3:15 is not a time on this particular one. It means 3 to the right and up 15. And 12:6, 12 to the right and up 6. And then let's connect those and see if we get a nice place where we cross. Looks like we've got one right there at 5 to the right and 13 up. 5 to the right and 13 up. Try that in my two equations. If I put a 5 in for x, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 2, 13. Put a 5 in, 18 minus 5, 13. One last example to show you. Y equals 20 minus 2x. Again, we're doing the multiplying part first. Put the 1 in for x. 2 times 1 is 2. And 20 minus 2 equals 18. Put a 10 in for x. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. We've got 1 at 1 to the right and up 18. And 10 to the right and up 0. And the line for that one looks like, you know what, I think I'm going to do that one again. So it looks like I got off a little bit with it. Let's try that one there. That looks a little bit better. Let's try the second line. Y equals 2x minus 4. Put the 2 in for x. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Put the 10 in for x. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 4, 16. So I'm plotting a point at 2, 0. Way down here on the bottom. And at 10, 16. Right there. And connect those. And it looks like we've got an intersection right about there, which is at 6 to the right and up 8. 6, 8. Try it in the equations just to be sure. 20 minus 2x, so I put 2 times 6 is 12. 20 minus 12 equals 8. Put the 6 in here. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. And that wasn't too bad of a virtual day, was it? All we did was same kind of stuff we've done and add a little bit on. We've taken the equations of lines before and made our XY charts. We've plotted points on the graph before, so the only thing new was finding this magic spot where the two lines intersected.